Dr. Catherine Roxanne Roxy Graw has been in private practice since 2010 and operates out of Roxy Plastic Surgery located in Powell. She specialized in cosmetic surgery for women's breasts, such as breast augmentation and lifts, and also offered something called mummy makeovers and tummy tucks and other procedures. A breast augmentation at Roxy Plastic Surgery used to cost $6,600, while surgeries for a so-called mummy makeover, which is usually a combination of a breast augmentation, tummy tuck, and liposuction, among other procedures, ranged from $15,000 to $20,000 US. But what happens when a doctor wants to stream on TikTok more than follow their code of ethics or even do surgeries well, and a bunch of people end up with botched procedures? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. The story of Dr. Roxy, the TikTok plastic surgeon.
Do we live stream surgery? It's Dr. Roxy. Let me give you the scoop. We do. We show our surgeries every single day on Snapchat. Patients get to decide if they want to be part of it, and if you do, you can watch your own surgery. I do this because it's sort of fun to see what's going on back there.
And it was just oozing and oozing like...
Karma's a bitch.
Dr. Catherine Roxanne Graw is better known to her patients as Dr. Roxy, the surgeon who posts behind-the-scenes videos of all of her procedures. She had over 800,000 followers on TikTok, and many patients claim to want to see her due to her large popularity on the social media app. Now, she is facing several lawsuits accusing her of failing to appropriately treat some of her patients. The Ohio Medical Board had warned Graw about live streaming her surgeries in a letter sent in 2018. It cautioned the doctor over the need to maintain patient privacy when sharing photos or videos via her social media. After the board sent another letter in 2021, Graw notified the state that she had completed remedial education courses about plastic surgery and professionalism ethics, including a course on ethical social media. But she continued live streaming the procedures through at least October of 2022, according to the board. After Graw performed liposuction and a Brazilian butt lift on a patient who was under anesthesia in December 2020, the patient said she suffered severe abdominal pain and cramping that forced her to have several surgeries on her stomach. About a year later, a patient who had a breast augmentation was admitted to the hospital days later for what turned out to be an infection that required her breast implants to be removed. This is why she's facing so many lawsuits, and rightfully so. It appears her TikTok presence was more important to her than being a good surgeon or following any ethics or even staying professional at all.
My belly button had detached. My stomach had completely opened up. And it was just oozing and oozing like I was infected.
These women had procedures like tummy tucks and breast augmentations. One patient going to Dr. Graw for reconstructive surgery after her battle with breast cancer.
I just wanted to feel better about myself.
A letter to Graw from the State Medical Board of Ohio notified her of her license suspension, which became effective on November 18, 2022. Now she is still suspended, and the medical board fined her $4,500 based on her failure to meet standard of care. The board found that while Graw was performing surgeries, she live-streamed parts of her patients' procedures on TikTok, spoke into the camera, and answered viewer questions from some of her over 800,000 followers. At least 3 patients reported having severe complications, infections, a perforated intestine, and a loss of brain function even, and needing medical care after Graw operated on them at Roxy Plastic Surgery, her practice in Powell, Ohio. Dr. Roxy pleaded with the board last Wednesday, promising that she will never live stream a surgery again, but it did not sway the board. She had ignored the board's warnings in the past and continued to live stream her procedures until just recently when she did lose her license officially for good. There is little chance she will ever be able to practice medicine again, and who knows how she plans on getting those views on TikTok now. Maybe she could do some of those cute little dances instead, I don't know. But for now, all of her videos have been deleted, and I hear that she's also lost her TikTok account, and I cannot find it anywhere whatsoever. So that's what's going on with that case. We shall see if more lawsuits go through, and if she ends up sued by more of her patients. I will keep you as updated as possible on this in future. So for now, please like and share and do all those YouTube things like become a member, make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with this story, and I'll see you all really soon with another one. Mwah! Much love, bye! And remember, watch out for scams on TikTok, or I guess bad doctors now? Damn, what a warning to have to give.
We show our surgeries every single day on Snapchat. Patients get to decide if they want to be part of it, and if you do, you can watch your own surgery. I do this because
It's sort of fun to see what's going on back there.